Hello sunshine, welcome back. In today's video I have an extra special power hour for you. My kids are back at school, and actually last week was their first week, so I want to make something extra special for them so we can get back in track, back into our routine. And this is kind of like the mess that I have to work with right now. It is a little bit late, but I have to get all of their bedrooms cleaned up. I want to make sure that I have all the bedding clean again, all the closets everywhere. We went shopping over the weekend, and this is what we end up with, clothes everywhere. This is also a big collaboration with a few of my YouTube mama friends. I'm gonna make sure to link all of their information down in the description. They all have similar content as mine, and they're also going to bring you an extra special power hour. So once you're done watching this video, make sure to go and check them out, show them some love, and let them know that I sent you guys. And if you guys are coming from their channels, welcome. My name is Ana Moran. I am a mama of 4 boys. I do a lot of cleaning motivational videos, a lot of lifestyle videos. So if you're interested in that type of videos, stick around and let's continue with this power hour. One of my favorite detergent that I use, it's the Gain, but I ran out and I had to get new detergent, so I end up getting the Purex, and it actually smells really delicious, and the price is not that bad. So I did put a load of laundry first. I want to make sure that I have all the bedding done before all the clothing. I know I'm not going to be done with all the clothes in 1 hour, but I just want to make sure to separate it so that way on the following day I can continue doing all the laundry. But with this power hour, I want to get all the bedding done. I want to separate all the clothes. I want to make sure that there is no trash anywhere in the bedrooms, because in a few days I do want to rearrange their bedrooms, and so I want to make sure that all their clothes, it's clean.
Sometimes there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves, there's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past.
I first started to get all the bedding and all the clothes, but like I said, I did put a load of laundry, and at the end of the video you'll see that I did finish with all the bedding but not the clothes. So I am not going to be doing the clothes this day. I will do it on the following day, since I want to make sure that I spend the time with the kids after school. And usually when they're back at school, our routine changes a little bit, so I want to make sure that I do everything while they're at school, so by the time they are home I can focus on them and help them out with whatever homework they have or whatever activities that they have after school. Last weekend it was my niece's birthday, so that's why you'll see a lot of candy wrappers, and you'll see later in the video that they have a ton of candy wrapper under one of the beds. And I had to switch from those bags to a bigger one because we end up having a lot of trash everywhere. And also we did went into their closets and cleaned it out. They had a lot of clothes that didn't fit them no more, a lot of shoes, and some of them they didn't work no more, so I had to throw them away. But the rest of them that didn't fit them, actually gonna go and take it out to Goodwill. After I sorted out all the clothes, it went from this to this. It took me a little bit over 20 minutes, and that was actually one of the things that took me a little bit more than I was expecting. But at the end, like I said at the beginning, I'm not going to be washing all that clothes. All I wanted to wash in this hour was all the bedding. So by the time the kids get home, I want the beds to be made and all clean. I end up doing 3 loads of laundry. I do use the quick mode on my washer, and the only one that took a little bit longer was this blanket. My blanket, it's the heaviest one of all of their blankets, and since all of their bed sheets are really thin, they were really quick to wash and to dry. So I was happy that at least all of their beds are going to be made. By the time they get home, they're all going to be made. I'm also going to be cleaning out their dressers. I still have time on my 1 hour mark, and all I have to do is just put their things away. And to dust it out, I'm going to be using the Method all-purpose cleaner, the Honey Crisp. And this is what I was talking about, all the candy wrappers underneath the bed. It's easier for them not to get the blame until we find out. And if I ask them who ate them or who left them in there, they will say it wasn't me. So if you guys can see down there on the bed, they all usually sleep together. No matter what, they're always sleeping together, even if they have their own rooms. Currently, my sister's still living with us, so Ivan and Martin are still sharing, but Oscar, for some reason, he always end up in Oscar on Ivan's or Xavier's bedroom. And this will be the extra special for my family. We usually don't eat dessert before dinner, but I do want to surprise them, and I want to make sure that by the time that they get home, the brownies are going to be done. I'm just going to be making them a store-bought brownie box. I got that at Walmart, and I'm just going to follow the instructions on the box. They love sweets. It's half and half. Xavier and Oscar love all chips and stuff, savory things, but Ivan and Martin love sweets. But I know that they all love the brownies, and they get really happy whenever they see any sweets, since usually we don't get the sweets before the dinner. So by the time they get home, they're gonna see the brownies done and ready for them to eat. I hope you enjoyed this extra special clean with me. I was able to accomplish what I wanted to do in 1 hour. I did all the bedding, and like I said, I'm still gonna be washing the following day, but I was able to do this extra special treat for my kids before they get home from school. Like I said, it was their first week at school, so after that stressful week, I wanted it to treat them with a little sweet. So this is how the brownies came out. They came out really chewy. I love the way they came out. I am not a baker, but trust me, they were so good. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and that you consider subscribing if you're not yet subscribed. Also, don't forget to give me that big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to go and show some love and support to my YouTube mama friends. Trust me, they will have tons and tons of motivation for you as well, and they will also have that extra treat at the end of their videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Music keeps me